We live in a world that's changing at a lightning speed. Each day, a new innovation is waiting around the corner to improve the way we live. We see newer technologies introduced to us by various MNCs. Take Facebook, Google, Apple, or Amazon, Canva, Tesla, SpaceX, or for that matter, any other leading company. They have proven that it's not just about working a job. They thrive on innovations and offer solutions that have changed the way the world lives and interacts. And it's not just these tech giants. Today, technology has impacted every sphere of our life, from ordering groceries to connecting with people, to medical treatments, banking, or even as simple as driving to a place. Everything is tech-enabled.
I travel around the world, the emerging markets. You see how eager people are to get access to technology because they understand how it will make their lives better.
The world is evolving at a rapid speed. And along with it, the nature of how we work has also evolved significantly. And this changing world is demanding new skills from the next generation, like problem solving, being thought leaders, and being technology-driven.
Knowledge and the principle are same, but the actual issue is in the way we are teaching it. And it has been same for last 4 decades.
We need to figure out how to evoke the natural inherent curiosity of our students.
We saw there is a massive problem in shifting from theoretical to applied learning.
If you have to really move from theoretical to applied learning, every teacher has to learn the way of this teaching. So that's where we thought about creating a powerful platform, a digital intelligent teacher who can empower every teacher 24/7 to teach students to solve any real-life problem.
That's Grovator, the only applied learning system, a paradigm shift in line with today's needs.
Grok's applied learning technology is a perfect solution that bridges the gap between what you learn in the classroom and what is required in the real world.
A new age applied learning system that teaches through application-based education, where education fires the thought process that leads to innovation. Only Grok offers an integrated learning approach of applying academic concepts using latest technologies like IoT, robotics, 3D printing, data science, and AI to solve real-life problems. This in turn will make students problem solvers, thought leaders, and innovators.
The information which we get in school is mostly textual, but here we learned how, when and where we are going to apply those knowledge.
I wanted to learn about technology and machines. When I joined robotics, my first session was simple machines and gears. In every session we learn different types of gear. For example, compound gear, angle gear, differential gear.
I didn't know there is so much we can do with IoT and robotics. Now I feel confident that I can create things on my own and solve any problem that I see around.
Grok uses the combination of knowledge, software, tools, and hardware. This ensures that anyone who uses it, be it student or teacher, can pick it up easily with a DIY approach.
It is all about creating that culture of innovation where every student can learn to apply academic concepts using latest technology tools to build solutions for real-life problems.
Our students can definitely be world leaders. It is just that shift of approach that's needed. And I really feel that Grok is bringing about this much needed shift of approach which can change the way you educate people.
Only at Grok Learning, we bring you the real-world applied learning in an integrated manner, because we know that the future of education isn't in the future, it's right here.